In this video, we will explain the process of transferring files and receipts from one post to another. This is an essential feature used during employee transfers, promotions, or retirements to ensure a seamless handover, and the process of transferring files and receipts allows proper handover of documents. It even provides an option to share the list of files and receipts sent, ensuring complete transparency. Now, let's talk about who can access this feature. Only users with the following roles are allowed: local admin and super admin privileges. Other users will not have access to this functionality. Users with local admin and super privileges can transfer files and receipts across the entire instance. This includes transfers both within the same department and across different departments. First of all, open the Parijay portal and enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in successfully, you will be redirected to the main eOffice dashboard. Click on the eFile from the main menu on the dashboard. From the left side menu, click on the Settings module. Once you click, a list of options will appear. Select the Transfer option to open the transfer screen. The first option is Department From. Here, select the department of the employee from whom you want to transfer the file or receipt. The second option is Section From, where you need to select the section of the employee. The third option is Transfer From. Select the name of the employee whose files or receipts need to be transferred. The fourth option is Transfer Type. If you want to transfer a file, select File. For receipts, select Receipt. In this example, we'll transfer a file, so we'll select File. The fifth option is Department To. Here, select the department of the employee to whom the file or receipt will be transferred. The sixth option is Section 2, where you need to select the section of the recipient employee. The seventh option is Transfer To. Enter the name of the employee to whom you want to transfer the file. Now click on the Search button. This will display all the files or receipts currently assigned to the Transfer From employee. Now, select the file you want to transfer and click the Transfer button. A confirmation pop-up box will appear. In the confirmation pop-up, upload the required official document. Please note, once uploaded, the document cannot be replaced, so ensure it is correct. The dealing section of closed files will be updated to the Transferred Users Post section. Files marked as created will move to the parked folder. RMS files will move to the closed folder. Finally, fill in the mandatory remarks. For example, transferring the file for further processing. Then click the OK button. Once clicked, a confirmation message will appear stating file transfer successfully. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials.